Hi, and welcome to this week's live session. The focus is measuring properties of stars by using light and stellar evolution. This first screen, you will see you have red stars, which are considered cool stars, and blue stars, which are considered hot stars. You'll notice in the first picture you have a few different constellations. You have Monoceros, Canis Major, Lepus, the Hare, and Orion. You'll also notice that you have two stars labeled. Sirius is a bright blue star. Rigel is also a bright blue star. So these are showing you two hot stars. In this picture, this is a blow-up of Orion. You will notice that this shoulder star is called Betelgeuse. It is a red giant. It is nice and cool. Your first question for you is, name a star in Canis Major that is considered a blue hot star. Another question, which will be number 2, is name a star in Orion that is considered a cool red giant star. Those are your first 2 questions that you can submit through this assignment. Once again, hot blue star in Canis Major, cool red star in Orion. This next diagram is called the HR diagram. It stands for Hertzsprung-Russell. Please look at this diagram and tell me one thing that the Hertzsprung-Russell tells us or shows us about stars and information about stars. So that's number 3. Please tell me one thing that this chart shows us about stars. This page is showing us apparent versus absolute magnitude. Apparent magnitude is what it looks like to us based on our distance from viewing vantage to the actual object that we're viewing. The absolute magnitude is how bright is it really, without including the whole distance factor. If you look at the first diagram, even though B is brighter, it is a greater distance to the observer. So therefore, B and A appear to be the same brightness from the observation point. If you look on this page, you will notice absolute magnitude chart. If you would please, for number 4, please tell us what is the brightest object in the sky from our viewing point, or the apparent magnitude. What is the brightest object in the sky? This is our apparent viewing vantage point. These are spectral classes. This is one thing that is on the HR diagram. Your spectral classes are gauged by surface temperature. You'll notice this is hot, which is O. M is the coolest, which is red. Here's another spectral class chart. If you would please look at the chart and tell me what spectral class would our star, which is the sun, be found under. That is question number 5. Number 6, talk about binary star systems. If you would please, tell me how many stars are involved in a binary star system. That is question 6. This is actually how we can find a binary star system. Infrared cameras and a spectrometer. This is a chart showing general evolution of stars from the nebula cloud all the way out to final stage. And this is the last chart I'm going to show you. Based on this chart, what is the next phase that our sun would go through? That is going to be your last question. That is question number 7. Thanks for viewing. Have a great day.